Hello children, welcome back to our Max channel. Today we are going to learn double digit addition with carry over. That is 2-digit addition with regrouping. Regrouping means we are going to rearrange the numbers into tens and ones again where it is required. Rearranging or regrouping. And that is the reason we carry over, because we are regrouping it. Let's see the first example. 26 plus 15. Here we have arranged the numbers according to its place value. One's number has to come in one's place value compulsory. Tens number has to go in tens place value. These are tens number and these are ones number. They are been arranged in proper column. And as you know, always start from ones. Always start from ones. So when we start from ones, here we have 6. So here we are going to draw 6 smileys. The second number is 5 in ones place. So we are going to draw 5 smileys. Now moving to tens place. Here we have 2. 2 tens means we have 2 bundles of 10. That means 1 bundle of 10 and 2 bundle of 10. 10 and 10, 20. 2 tens means 20. And here we have 1, so 1 more bundle of 10. So at present we have total 3 bundles of 10. Now here when we count the smileys of ones place, when we add, we need to count the smileys of ones place as we start from ones. The answer here will be 11. 6 plus 5 is 11. So it's a double digit number. 1 in ones place and another 1 in tens place. So this 10 is to be regrouped. That means I'll take away this 10 from here and I'll be adding it tens place. Okay. And what will be left is this. So we'll see in the next what is left with us. We have one smiley in ones place. So your answer for ones place is 1. And the group which we have taken from here, 110, is to be brought in tens place. So we have got this one. So we are going to write 1 here in tens place because we have taken one group of 10 from ones place in tens place. So one group, so we are writing 110 and this is to be written here. Now when you start adding, you are going to add this 110 to this 2. That means 1 plus 2. You are going to add 1 plus 2, that is 3. 110 plus 2 is 3. 310 plus 1 is 4. So your answer here would be in tens place 4. So your answer is 41. Next example is 34 plus 18. Here also we have arranged ones number in ones place value, tens number in tens place value. As I always say, always start from ones. So we have here 4, so we are going to draw 4 smileys. We have here 8 in ones place, so we will draw 8 smileys. In 10 we have here 3, that means I am going to draw 3 group of tens. 1 group of 10, 2 group of 10 and 3 group of 10. Here we have 1, so 1 more group of 10 for this. Now when we see one's number and when we add them, 4 and 8. 4 and 8 is 12. So here I'll write 12. Here in ones place we have 2. In tens place we have 1. This is tens place. So that means I'm going to take away 10. I'm going to arrange 10 here First I'll make a group of 10, and this group of 10 is to be brought in tens place because its correct place value is in tens. After rearranging or regrouping, what is left in ones place is 2. So your answer in ones place is 2, and the 10 which we have taken from here has to be here in tens group. So this one group of 10 we have taken, so we are going to write here as 1. This is called carryover 1 of this. So you are going to add 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 means 1 is this, and this 3, it makes 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So your answer in tens place is 5. So 34 plus 12 is 52. Next is 44 plus 28. Here also we have arranged ones digit in ones column, tens digit in tens column. Correct place value is very, 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 very important. And always start from perfect ones. Now you have understood. So here we have 4. So we are going to draw 4 smileys here. Next is 8. So we are going to draw 8 smileys here. Here we have 4 bundles of 10. So 1 bundle of 10, 2 bundle of 10, 3 bundle of 10, and 4th group of 10. Next we have 2. So we are going to draw 2 more group of 10. 1 group of 10 and 2 group of 10. This is 4 and this 2. Here in ones place, when you add 4 plus 8, your answer is 12. Your answer is 12. 2 is in ones place and this 1 is in tens place. That means I'm going to take away, or I'm going to make a group of 10 here to be carried over in tens place because they don't belong here. This is not their house, this is not one's house, this is tens house, so it has to go in 10 here. Once it's taken from here or removed from here or regrouped from here, what is left is 2 in ones place. So your answer of ones place is 2, and the group of 10 which we have taken here will be appearing in tens place. That means one group of 10 we have taken in tens place, so we need to write 1 here. Now we are going to add 1 plus 4, that is 5. 5 plus 2, that is 7. That means your answer in tens place is 7. Your total answer is 72. Next, 39 plus 28. This also we have arranged in proper place value. Ones digit in ones place, tens digit in tens place, and always start from correct ones. So here we have 9. We are going to draw 9 smileys. 8. So 8 smileys. 3 bundles of 10. 1, 2 group and 3 group of 10. Here we have 2, so we need to draw 2 more groups of 10. 1 group of 10, second group of 10. We have got this. Now when we start from ones, after drawing all this, 9 and 8. That means it makes 9 and 8 is 17. 1 and 7. As it's a double digit, this is ones place, which is 7. We have 7 in ones place and this one is in tens place. So we need to arrange this 17 balls. I need to make a group of 10 here. So this, I'm going to make one group of 10 from here. and I have to remove this from here or regroup from here. I need to take away from here and take it in tens place because this is not its place. It has to go in tens place. Just like you go to your own house, you don't go to your neighbor's house. So this tens also has to go into its tens place. It cannot stay in one's house. So after taking away this from here, what is left here in ones place is 3 and 3 6 and 1 7. So your answer for ones place is 7, and the group of 10 which we have taken here is this. So we have arranged that here, and we are going to carry over that one group here in tens place. So now we are going to start adding 1 plus 3, that is 4, 4 plus 2. Okay, I'll repeat again. Start always from this carry over only, because you forget to add this otherwise. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So your answer for tens place is 6. And even if you count here, total group of tens, they are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it has to match. Now we are going to see the same thing, two-digit addition with regrouping in a different way. That is using expanded form of that number. Let's see the example. Here the two numbers are 46 plus 46. We need to arrange the numbers according to its place value. Ones number under ones column and tens number under tens column. These are ones number and these are tens number. This is very important to write the number in the correct place value. You cannot write this 6 in ones tens place or tens moving here to hundreds place. No, ones has to be in ones place, tens has to be in tens place, compulsory rule. Okay, to start with, always remember to start with, we have to start from ones number. Start from perfect ones number. When we add 6 plus 6, it becomes 12. It becomes 12. That means this is 12, and in 12 we have 1 10, 10 plus 2. In ones place we have 2, and in 10 place we have 1. So this can be written as 1010 and plus 2. Now this 2, why do we expand this number? Because we cannot write here a double digit number. It has to be a single digit, and this double digit we are going to carry over here because it's 10 number. So we need to take it in tens place. So this 2 is to be written in ones place. So we have written this 2 of 12 in ones place, and this 1, that is 10, we are going to carry over here in tens place. We have taken here 1. Now we are going to add 1 plus 4, which is 5, and then 5 plus 4, that is 9. So your answer here in tens place is 9. So 46 plus 46 is 92. Let's move to the next example. 28 plus 37. Watch carefully, the numbers are written in correct place value. Ones in ones place, tens number in tens place. which is very important in any of these sums. Now we are going to add ones number, that is 8 plus 7. We are going to start from ones and we are going to add 8 plus 7. So 8 plus 7 is 15. 1, 5, 15. Here 5 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place, so can be written as 10 plus 5, which we have seen in the previous video of the expanded form. So this ones number, that is 5, we are going to write in ones place, and this 1, which is of tens digit, we are going to write in tens place. Okay, this is called carryover. 1 and 5, 15. Okay, now when we add these tens number, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. We need to add all those 3 and always start from your carryover number only, because when we add this 2 we forget this, so it's always better to start from carryover so that you don't forget this number. And when we add this all 3 you get 6, so 65 is your answer. Next number is 16 plus 58. 16 plus 58. They are being arranged in correct place value. Ones number under ones column, tens number under tens column. Okay. Now always start from, wow, correct, ones. So you are going to add 6 plus 8 or 8 plus 6. You will get the same answer. So your answer is 14. In 14, 4 is in ones place, so it has to go here. This 1 is in tens place, that means this 1 is equal to 1, 0, 10. So 10 plus 4. This is ones number, so we are going to write here. This is tens number, so this number will carry over in tens place. So let's write ones number 4. Now carry over 1 in tens column. Now you are going to start adding all these 3 numbers. Always start from your carryover number. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. So tens answer is 7 and your total answer is 74. 16 plus 58 is 74. Next, 37 plus 54. 37 plus 54. Arrange the number in perfect place value. Ones number under ones, tens number under tens, and then always start from, wow, correct, ones number. 7 plus 4 is 11. So 11 and 11, when we expand it, it is 10 plus 1. This is there, this is tens digit, which is there here. So we cannot write a double digit here. We need to take this or carry over here in tens place. Ones digit will write only single number 1. So 1 we have written here, and this tens number is to be carried over. So we have carried over in tens place, and you know why? Because it is 10, it's a double digit and it's a tens number, so we have taken here. 1 plus 3, add all the 3. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, So 91 is your answer. 37 plus 54, your answer equals to is 91. Here I have taken 63 plus 9. See, this is the reason I tell you always arrange in correct column. There are few children who can write this 9 in tens place. But when we write this 9 in tens place, it goes wrong. It's a wrong sum because 9 is a single digit and its place value is 1. So it is compulsory to write in ones place. And there is nothing here, that is understood that this is 0. If nothing is written here, that means it is 0. If you are confused, you can write here 0, and once you know how to write, or once you remember that this is considered as 0, stop writing 0. Initial stage, yes, you can write 0 so that you don't get confused. Okay. Now you are going to start from, wow, great, 1. So here we are going to start from 1. So 9 plus 3 is 12. 9 plus 3 is 12. As it's a double digit number, we cannot write directly here. We need to break the number into tens and ones, that is expanded form. So here now we have got a ones digit number. We know which is ones digit number. That only we are going to write in ones place. Now here in tens place we have 10, that is 1 here. So this 1 needs to be carried over in tens place. As it's tens number, it is to be carried in tens place. So we are going to carry over this here and start your addition from your carryover, as we forget to add this 1. Okay, so 1 plus 6 is 7 and 7 plus 0 is 7. So your answer is 72. Remember, whenever the number is of single digit, it has to go in ones place. If you change the place value, your answer goes wrong, then it becomes 90. At present this is 9. Suppose if I take this 9 here, now it will become 9090. So the value totally has changed. So remember to put the numbers in correct place value. Hope you have understood this, how to carry over the sums. Keep practicing, keep doing so. Break the number, remember the place value, and always remember the rules start from ones, and we need to carry the number to tens place if your answer in ones place is a double digit. If your answer in ones place is double digit, then we need to carry over it to the next column. Okay, remember these 2 points, you will go right. Thank you for now. Bye bye. Keep smiling.